Hi there, this is Lawrence Simon, a technical writer on the documentation team at cPanel. I'm here to show you how to log in to your cPanel account. So, what is my login URL? Your hosting provider or system administrator should provide it to you when they first set up your account. It's going to start with https://. This represents a secure web connection. Then, your host name, followed by a colon and the number 2083. That's the port you'll connect to. Now, your domain might not be ready in DNS yet. The registrar may still point the domain at the default name servers, or you've moved to a new server and the DNS entries need a day or two to propagate. Until DNS is ready, you can also use the IP address that the site will use instead of the host name. I strongly recommend that you create a bookmark or shortcut to this interface. See that cPanel icon in my favorites bar? That's where I keep mine. So, we go to the correct URL and the cPanel login interface will appear. If you need for the interface to appear in another language, you can select it from the bottom of the interface. Or you can click the three dots for a longer list of languages. I'll stick with English. Did you forget your password? Click the Reset Password button. A new interface will appear where you can enter your username and the system will email you a link to reset your password. I'll click Cancel to go back to the login interface. Enter your username in the username text box, and then enter your password in the password text box. Click Login. If you use two-factor authentication for security, you will need to enter the code. We cover two-factor authentication in another video. You can also use your cPanel ID to log into cPanel through external authentication, but we cover that in another video as well. Okay, here we are in the cPanel home interface. From here, you can perform the tasks that you need to manage your website, whether it's to add an email address or upload web content. You can learn about those functions in the other tutorial videos or in our documentation at documentation.cpanel.net. For more information about cPanel, go to our website at cpanel.com or check us out on Twitter at cPanel. Thank you for watching.